Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone refuses to open a document and says the PDF is corrupted, it means the file was damaged during download, transfer, or by a sudden glitch in your Reader app. I will show you exactly how to repair these files and recover your data right now. Let's get started. First, the error might actually be a temporary memory glitch within your PDF viewing app rather than the file itself. Here is how to refresh it. Open your Android settings and tap on Apps or App Management. Scroll through the list to find your default PDF viewer, such as Adobe Acrobat, Google PDF Viewer, or Google Drive. Tap on Storage Usage, hit Clear Cache, and then try opening your PDF file again to see if it loads. Next, if the file is genuinely damaged, you can easily reconstruct its data using a free online repair service directly from your mobile browser without installing anything. Open Chrome and navigate to a trusted, secure site. You can find the links in the description box below. Tap Select PDF File and upload the broken document from your internal phone storage. Tap Repair PDF. Wait a few seconds for their servers to fix the damaged structural data and download the clean, restored file back to your device. Finally, for severely damaged documents that online browser tools cannot handle, a dedicated offline Android recovery app is the most powerful solution. Open the Google Play Store and search for the app named PDF Repair Tool-Repair PDF. Install and open the application, then grant it permission to access your device storage. Select your corrupted document and tap the Repair button. The app will run a deep scan to extract all readable pages and save a fresh, working copy to a dedicated folder on your phone. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.